Ka office jong Deputy Commissioner Southwest Khasil District harangkat ke jingit trailang bat ka office jong District Sports Officer, ka office jong Superintendent of Police, bat ka office jong District Planning Officer, kum kadak ban kynmaw burom kila panlong chispa sapo Unity March, Ek Bharat Atma Nirban Bharat, hamau krawat Southwest Khasil District. Ya kanik Unity March lasdang na palau jong kasngap sim college mokorwan balayat lamba ka yo mokorwan State Bank of India Meghalaya Rural Bank hadu ban wan pai biang kasngap sim college ha kanik jingyat pajba hadu laispa angut kelawani simbenta kapakan tup eki officer samla puli ikna school lembat kinong hikai ha kanik kasngi lai don lang uba FB Basan MCS Additional Deputy Commissioner kum Kongsan uba B Jerwa MPS Superintendent of Police kum sembut Kongsan Uhimanta Timung Coordinator Unity March uba D Sengkon District Sports Officer kinong hikai kikna bat kisamla puli.
In diverse cultures, diverse religions, diverse tribes, and there was one man who decided when India got independence on 15th August 1947. He saw that India was not united yet. Though we achieved independence, we have not really achieved unity. And this man decided that I will take up this job, this mantle of preserving the unity of the country, no matter what it takes. Okay, and at that point of time, in 1947, there were over 500 princely states, what we call kingdoms, all over the country. Some of them were being influenced by our neighboring countries to join over to their side. But Sardar Patel, okay, he decided that no, India needs to be united. All these princely states need to come together. No matter whatever our difference, no matter how separated or segregated we are, we need to come and bond together as a country. And over a period of within a year, okay, we have the geography of India as we know today. Okay, and this is the famous quote of Sardar Patel, where he said, "I do not see a person as a Marathi or a Jat or a Sikh or a Bengali or a Khasi or a Manipuri or a Tamilian. We are all Indians, and let us not forget that. We should respect our country, we should be loyal to our country in whatever we do. And that's why this year, being the 150th anniversary, birth anniversary of Sardar Patel, we are organizing all these programs. In our work, in our careers, in whatever we do, we should not forget that after so much struggle, India came together as one, and we should not let whatever happens, whether it's internal or external, affect the unity of the country. And we should all know that we're all there as an administration, we're all working together to achieve that. There's so many things that are affecting the unity of the country. But as long as we realize that we're all Indians and that we're not just individual entities, that together we can only grow forward if we truly recognize and bond as Indians. I hope everyone understands this message. I will not talk very long. At the end of this talk, I would just like to stress upon this one beautiful quote that I read today morning. Okay, that we should all be working together, striving together for the unity of the country, and that bond, okay, that closeness will only happen when we all realize, when we all work towards one caste. And that caste should be humanity. One religion, and that religion should be love. And one language, and that language should be of your heart. Thank you.
Here I was thinking on what should I speak, especially on this day. We celebrate 150 years birth anniversary of Sardar Patel, and we celebrate the concept of national unity. There are many things, and I even took my phone and, like I was discussing, started typing in ChatGPT so that I can speak something to you. But then, as I was sitting, I saw your performance, as I was thinking of how this concept of national unity has affected me personally, I would like to say that we are very privileged to live in this country. We are very, very privileged that we wake up every day in the morning and we are standing here and we are conducting our daily activities, and all our students are here, they're learning, they're getting educated, and we are very fortunate of the unlimited opportunities that our country has to offer us. My dear students, as we speak at this moment, there are many students and many children, many youths in other countries where they do not have this privilege of sitting in a hall listening about the concept of national unity. There are many countries where there is no guarantee of life when you wake up in the morning. Why? Because the country has been torn and divided by internal conflicts. If you see what is happening in countries like Africa, every day something or the other is happening. Some community is committing atrocities against another community. Some groups, they are threatening the existence of other groups. And we see every day in the newspapers reported a number of children dying because of war, because of the strife that is happening in the country. And we are very fortunate that our country is safe, our country is guided by the principles of unity, secularism, democracy, and that is the reason why we wake up every day in the morning, we take it for granted that it's going to be another beautiful day. It's going to be a day when we are all able to do what we want to do with our lives. So all this has happened because India is a strong country, is a united country, is a country in which the principles of secularism, the principles of justice, equality, fraternity has been enshrined in our constitution. And every day when we wake up in the morning, we feel safe. We feel safe that we are in a country which gives us these principles in which we can live our life. Foremost, I think it's important that we have to respect one another. We have to respect our dear students amongst you. We have to respect everybody is not the same. People come from different backgrounds. Even in our state, you will have Khasi, you will have Panar, you will have Mara, you will have Bahoy, you will have War, and the list goes on and on. And we speak different languages. And that is the beauty about India, that it is different. It is not the same. When you go from here to another state, you will find the culture is totally different. It's not the same. And we should learn to respect others' culture. When we learn to respect other culture, we will also have a sense of identity of who we are, where we come from, and what is it so special about us being part of this great country called India. And most importantly, after having a sense of respect for one another, I think it's very important also to ask yourself, what can I contribute to my country? How can I do to make my country stronger? That I will not be a person who will divide my country. You, my dear students, are at the cusp of bringing many things from your personal experiences, from your learnings into the society that we live in. If you choose to lead a life where you can contribute through your education, through your skills, your talents, the nation will grow and grow and grow and become a better nation. But if we choose to take a different path, a path which will lead the country to downward spiral, that means it will cause a lot of unhappiness, it will cause a lot of difficulties, not only in your life, but in the society that we live in. If you are doing well in your studies, if you are doing well in your career, it is always a moment of rejoice. It is always a moment of celebration. But if we have to look for people who have wasted their time, gone down a path which is not as per the law, then it becomes a big problem, just not for the society at large, but for the country at large. So, my dear students, it is very important that you have to think that I am here in this country. It's a country with unlimited opportunities. People from our state, youth from our state have climbed Mount Everest. They have traveled around. I think BSO just recently, during one of the programs we had, he has shown how the country has tried to push the youth so that we get an opportunity to travel and see what is in other parts of the world and how we can develop the talents to become better citizens of India. So, before I take my seat, I would like to wish all of you that this occasion of celebrating Sardar Vallabhbhai's 150th birthday is an occasion for us to reflect on how we can contribute towards nation building, towards unifying the country, and towards bringing the country more to the path of development, to the path of scientific knowledge, to the path of greater glory, that the world, all the world can see and respect us, that we come from this country of millions of diverse languages, millions of diverse cultures, but still we are united, we are one, and we are always moving forward in the right direction. So with these few words, I take this opportunity to thank all of you again.
Isut Cùng hari